Problem plus solution equals problution. It's an intentional made up word, and it's a concept from the book Stalking the Wild Solution. The idea is that the way you define or restate a problem already contains clues to its solution, and we are going to walk this journey today. The steps you might want to follow for this exercise. Number 1, you write your problem in one sentence. Number 2, you pick one or more method below and ask AI to reframe the challenge. Number 3, you reflect. Do this problem definition gets you closer to a solution? And the methods are: number 1, altitude. Move the challenge up or down. Ask why you want it or what stops it. Number 2, reversal. Flip the goal. How would we make this worse on purpose? And step 3, perspective. Change whose problem it is. It could be problem for the customer, the doer, or maybe a rival. And the context here is that there's a telecom company which has a customer support center with 120 agents. Customer complaints are rising. Average call handling time has increased from 6 minutes to 9 minutes. Customer satisfaction scores have also dropped from 82% to 68% in 6 months. And leadership thinks the problem is clear. Agents are taking too long. We need to make them fast. The proposed solution is to introduce a strict target. Every call must be completed in under 6 minutes, and agents who miss the target repeatedly will lose part of their performance bonus. The current problem statement: how might we reduce average call handling time? And this is not wrong, to be fair, but also it may be too narrow. It pushes people towards speed, pressure, scripts, penalties, and automation. And this could make the real customer problem even worse. And next step, we ran this prompt, which is I want help reframing this challenge. Then we inserted our telecom company challenge. Use three methods: altitude, reversal, perspective. We gave context about each method. And as final output, give me 4 to 5 strongest reframes for each, and pick the best reframe for each method. And once we have the best three reframes, we choose one reframe on which we want to build our ideas on. So first one, altitude. AI came back with few reframes based on this method, and the best altitude reframe here is: how might we reduce the total effort needed to resolve a customer issue correctly the first time? Why? Because it stops optimizing one metric, call time, and shifts attention to the full system. Second, reversal. It came back with few more reframes, and the best reversal reframe is: what if long calls are not the problem but unresolved calls are? Let's let's go a little backward. If we consider this reframe, then what could be the original assumption? The original assumption is long calls are expensive, and when we reverse it, it would look like unresolved issues are more expensive. Now, why this reframe matters? Because it changes the metric. A 9-minute resolved call may be cheaper than 3 4-minute failed calls. Third one, perspective. So AI came back with five different perspective of a customer, of an agent, of a manager, of a CFO, or an IT or systems guy. The best reframe perspective here is of the customer. Why? Because from the customer's viewpoint, how might we make billing problem easy to understand, fix, or avoid before they became call? So now we have the three best reframe based on different methods, and I go with this one. So the conclusion here is: a weak AI user will get train agents to be faster, but a strong AI user will get reduced repeat calls and total customer effort by fixing the root causes of billing confusion. And now to take it further, we can generate ideas on this reframe. So good luck, try with an original challenge that you're facing and see what solution fits you the best. Thank you.